Sunrise burning red, mist on the water where the quiet's dead. Shadow moves, current hides the prey. Heartbeat thunders, I begin the day. The line goes tight, the fight begins. Nature calls, I dive right in.
And then started the swipe tower. Now it's putting down the base for the supports that we had to add to this. And then it'll start printing layer by layer. There'll be a pause about 4 hours into this 5-hour print. And I'll add BBs to the lure for weight and rattle. Still building up the supports, and now it's kind of printing the belly of the lipless crankbait that we're building. Every time it goes up a layer on the print, it goes back to that swipe tower in the back there, and that ran out swipe tower, doing another layer. Pretty cool stuff.
Hunter of the deep, rage and conquer light. Silent on the surface, a storm inside. Through the reel and rhythm, I find my keep. Born of the river, the hunter of the deep. Patience bleeds through the line, I feel every pore raw, alive and real. No man's land, no rules to bind. Out here I meet my primal mind.
Yeah, you can see it coming along. It's changing filaments out now. Cavities are open. You can put BBs in for a rattle. Yeah. Looks good. 2 hours left. 2 hours and 42 minutes. With God as our guide, we're chasing the light. From sunrise to stars in the heart of the night. Every trail we wander, every dream we seek, the fire of adventure is stirring. Good morning. It's the next morning. After running this all night, I felt like it was never going to finish printing. It finished, and I was a little worried about this upper part since there was no support, nothing but hollow on the inside, but it actually printed all right. Just a little bit of sanding and cleaning up, and it'll look just fine. Sides look good. I put BBs on the inside, probably 3 hours into the print, and now all I have to do is come in here and clean all this out from the belly area, and that'll probably be in the next video. So
hopefully y'all enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.